Okay, folks. So today, it's actually nighttime. I decided to go ahead and do this video of something I purchased for some sheet metal work, and that is it's going to be a punch out tool and a dimple die tool. So if you guys are familiar with dimple dies, is where you have that little circle thing and you put a dimple in it to kind of strengthen sheet metal. I decided to go ahead and purchase this. This is one of those situations where, the saying goes, buy one, cry once, right? So I was looking on Amazon. I found obviously there's a lot of like punch out tools or punch die tools that allows you to punch holes in sheet metals. And those are kind of specific size and typically that used for putting conduits into electrical boxes and whatnot. So that when it says like 1.5 inch, it's not actually 1.5 inch. It ends up being a little bit bigger for the outside diameter of the conduit. So I found this company uh, which makes the punch die, as well as specific dimple die tools for that specific diameter. So I decided to go ahead and purchase them both. I figured this thing would last me a lifetime. I have some sheet metal work that I need to do, and I just decided to go ahead and purchase this like I typically do. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this and show you what I got, and flip the camera around, do this unboxing, and show you what I got, and then we'll get into the project this weekend. I'll probably do a video about that as well. I Okay, so the company's the manufacturer of this product is TEMCO, TEMCO Industrials. So you search the internet for TEMCO, you'll find them. And so what I got was the TEMCO TH004 hydraulic knockout punch for electrical conduit. So this is the big thing, right? It's a conduit hole cutter. Um, You can find these on Amazon. It's probably you'll save, the I guess I don't know if this is actually made in China, but this manufacturer is U.S. based. So I don't know. They just outsource this and make it in China anyways. But hopefully the quality is a little bit better than what you would find on Amazon. So it costs a little bit more, and the design is a bit unique in terms of what the punch out tool actually is. But anyways, this one is 9 ton, 6 die set for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1/4 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch, right? So punching capacitor of thickness is 11 gauge. And steel punching capacity is 1/16 inch stainless steel. So that's what it is. Like I say, I'm going to be doing a bunch of different projects with this. Certainly applied not. Um, Not going to be, you know, using it extensively like somebody that's doing this full time. It's kind of my interest, my hobby, if you will. Um, so there we go. And so I think so. What they say is unique about the design is actually this die portion that has the cutout, and that allows it to split the metal when you punch it out. So essentially, that's I think that's the improvement they made. It's a nice set, it seems like. You get the nice case. You have the instructions here. 1 year full refund, no matter what. Let me see if I can find. It says American engineering since 1968. It kind of tells me the fact that they don't call out it's made in the USA. I'm guessing it's probably not made in the USA, but I don't know. Yeah, just a little personalized, not personalized, but form letter there. One nice thing, it does come with a very unique step bit for drilling holes, the initial hole for you to put the, I don't know what they call this thing through, right? So different sizes there. Uh, is the punch head. Like that. So that's the punch out tool. And let's see if I can find the diameter of these of the punch out tool. So this thing is not light by any means. My small metal working things, they tend to be kind of heavy. So you can see this TEMCO THO 388 Dimple Die Set. Just grip it, kind of heavy. The box is not. This real quick. Thing's not light, I'll tell you that. So the unique thing about this is you read it. It's TH0388 Dimple Die Set size for conduit knockout holes. So you can obviously get dimple dies that are like measure at 2 inches, but actually the conduit hole is 2.36 inches, right? So so that's kind of what it is. Show you this real quick. Nice case, very nice case. There we go. Over here. Swap around a little bit. So here's the dimple dies. Obviously, 2.35 inch. Kind of cool. Little threader things. So this is probably the 3/4 inch hole. One inch hole. 1.33. So it's a nice set. I'll pull this out and show you the other side, the female side here. And then you put that in the press, essentially, and press them together. So I'm going to be putting some dimple dies in a piece of sheet metal for a bracket. I'll be using this. I'm probably not going to use anything bigger than maybe this size here, but so we got 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and a 2 inch. But like I say, the conduit set cutouts are a little bit bigger. So anyways, that's what's in this. This is, I would say, nice quality in the case here, as well as nice quality in this case here. And I'm going to be set for nipple dies up to 2 inches. Like I say, hope you enjoy the video. Look for more content. I'm going to be working on a project that actually will put these to use, and I'll show you what that looks like.